ఒరిస్సా రాష్ట్రం భువనేశ్వర్లో ఫిబ్రవరి 22 మరియు 23వ తేదీల్లో సీనియర్ సిటిజన్స్ జాతీయ మహాసభలు ఘనంగా జరిగాయి. ఈ మహాసభలకు ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ అన్నమయ్య జిల్లా నుంచి సీనియర్ సిటిజన్స్ వెల్ఫేర్ అసోసియేషన్ రాష్ట్ర ఉపాధ్యక్షులు డాక్టర్ ఎన్ మునిగోపాలకృష్ణ హాజరయ్యారు. ఈ జాతీయ మహాసభలో కోవిడ్ సమయంలో కేంద్ర ప్రభుత్వం తాత్కాలికంగా రద్దు చేసిన రైల్వే రాయితీని తిరిగి ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ ప్రజల మహాసభలో
Actually, our ESCON president raised his voice in New Delhi. On the way we have submitted his voice. That too, Rajasthan Udaipur state also, they have done a very nice job. Regarding railway construction, all people not to raise their one hand, they raise two hands up. Our ESCON also trying their level best. From Andhra Pradesh, Mr. Narayana Murthy garu, Ramchandra Rao, Veera Rao garu, they are trying their level best. Now also we are talking to our MPs. Your suggestion is very good. Secretary General sir, you too also taking part actively regarding this. Like Vishma, our sir, age and elder person is there. We are taking his blessings and suggestions properly. We have to try our level best.
Together we will do.
In Odisha, a Bhubaneswar conference also, all together we have to raise our voice. We want railway construction. Like that, we have to raise our voice there. That too, we will certainly cooperate Andhra people. Mr. Narayana Murthy garu, under his guidance, we are taking proper steps. Certainly we will cooperate you and we will do. If you take any steps there, our railway All India President, sir is here. We have the sir. He is also doing his level best. I am congratulating him and Rajasthan people and ESCON President. There also, Sahajar home meeting also, you raised the topic also, we felt very happy. You are trying your level best. But good time should come. Regarding this card movement from Andhra Pradesh, thousands of cards sent to PM and Railway Minister. We are trying a lot. We will cooperate with you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity.